Okay, so we'll go through on the weekly. Way too strong. Odds and probability the market will go further to the upside is highly probable. Next one right is a 14,198. Getting close to 1422. That one's already hitting at 13,868, which they will fill in pretty shortly. Weekly, yeah, pretty strong. So not long to go. The bulls are in control. There's no sign of weakness. Odds and probability the bulls will keep on continuing to go to the upside is highly probable. Alright, let's go back. Futures. Futures is over, so we'll skip that. Being Friday, last day. Okay, let's do scope the marketplace. So the advantage of this is if you're busy or you don't have your trading platform, you just go through here. All the charts are in there too, all in real time, so which is great. Okay, let me open up FXCM, which is much better one. Just bear with me for 1 second. Loading. Interesting. Yeah. Let's go back through the euro. Make that a bit bigger. Okay, weekly in the euro, definitely bulls are in control to go to beyond this price at 34.85 is highly probable now. Daily chart way too strong. Green new. Higher highs, higher lows. Next one. You can see approximately 136, reaching 50%, 35.13, M2 weekly, nothing, but they are definitely on the overbought. There was another signal to go along through there. Pretty sweet. Okay, daily chart, nothing, M3, and the weekly, no, nothing, still continuing, daily. Still to the upside, dollar yen. Alright, dollar yen, bulls are in control. There's no sign of weakness. M2, nothing, way overbought. Nothing, still everything is way overbought. So just currently waiting on the right time. I'm gonna short this. And, oh man. Odds and probability that will go through the roof is highly probable. Alright, daily. Sorry. Go back there again. Okay. M2 on the weekly. Let me just add. Yeah, okay, overbought, nothing as well. M3, looking at the daily chart, yeah, bulls are way too much in control. We have an M2 right there too, I believe. Yesterday, oh no, not quite, on the 50%, but definitely higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Oh, everything is all bullish. Oh no, nothing. Okay, pound dollar. What do we have on the weekly? Pound dollar sellers are definitely way too much in control. Lower lows. Next one should be lower highs. We're in the level of demand at the moment. 157.50. looking at the dailies. Oh, I didn't get there. Right, daily chart. Trying to establish a price at the moment. Freehand. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Two. So we have a level of demand, very strong level of demand. Ooh, interesting. 58, 57, 53. Might get into this. M2, nothing. There's a potential M2 though. 58.13. Daily chart, nothing on M3. Dollar Swiss on the weekly. Sellers are in control, but there's nothing right there. Just hit that bottom end. There's also, there's more room for this one down here too. Okay, method 2, nothing. Daily, nothing. Method 3, weekly, none. Just hit the price. We have an entry to go long actually for dollar Swiss based on the weekly chart. USD Swiss franc weekly M3. Nice. That would be my trade. Okay. Daily chart, none. Okay. Euro Swiss. Weekly. We have that one right there, but there's not any stabilization. Daily, I think the odds probably continues. Highly probable. Higher high, higher lows. Next one's higher high. Let's move on to the next one. This is a cross pair. Technically speaking. Oh, right. Aussie. So there was a trade a few days ago. Clear breakout on the third, on the tertiary uptrend right here. Odds and probably will tank all the way. 103.32 is highly probable from here. Daily chart, and it's no sign of weakness. Clear breakout. Next one, 103 between 102.86 and 103.50. So there was a trade recommendation a few days ago to short at 105.50. At the end of the day, very nice, 105, 150 pips, pretty much 400. Yep, pretty sweet. Okay, M2, looking at the weekly chart. Nothing right there at the moment, but there's more room for that price to come back down. So I'm bearish with the Aussie. And nothing through M2 as well. There's more room for that to drop. Daily chart now is a entry, but it's too far from the actual 8 and the 10 itself. Weekly chart, the first time below the 8 and 10, so there's nothing right there. Okay, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is pretty strong. 2 weeks in a row. Wow. Nice. Okay, clear breakout, new higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, but there's no sign of weakness. Daily, more continuation. M2, nothing. In terms of the daily chart, let's go look at the weekly chart. Nothing. There's definitely a lot of room in order for this to go to even 102. M3. Weekly, at the end, there is going to be an entry to go long. Daily chart, from that point of entry, still pretty much from there, 98, 99. Wow, 200 pips. Okay, so those were also the trade recommendations last week. Kiwi dollar. This one was great. Got taken out in this trade. Right, weekly. Let's go through the weekly very quickly. Yeah, it's hitting, following this void right here. There's more of an empty space, so still part of the uncertainty. Definitely there's an uptrend and a downtrend. They may need to make a decision pretty shortly. Daily chart, trade recommendation a couple of days ago. Currently got out last night. So that is it pretty much. So that's also pretty good. Weekly chart, there's sign of weakness, but it needs to make a decision from here. But once it breaks out 83.36, this is going to tank to the downside. Daily, there's nothing. M3, M3 says to go short. I like the two. Okay, NZD, USD, daily, M3 to short. Euro pound. Euro pound weekly, the bulls are way in control. Target finally got reached about that 85, breaking out through that 3 weeks in a row. So powerful. No sign of weakness. Odds and probability of the price. Now price to beat is 86 all the way to 88 is highly probable. Daily chart. Same. Bulls are way too strong. Euro pound M2 nothing, but definitely overbought. We're going to see some sign of weakness pretty shortly. Divergence, but nothing. M3 approximately is about 120 pips to the downside. If it chooses to on the daily, yeah, way too strong and way too far. So there's also great opportunity. When that happens, we'll be shorting that guy as well. Right, Euro Yen weekly. Way too powerful, no sign of weakness. Best price 123. I'm just currently waiting on this. Okay, might break it. Probability to break this high 123.33 is highly probable, but when the time comes, we'll be shorting it like there's no tomorrow. Okay, 123. 18, 17, 19, 20, 1, 22. Jesus. 500 pips. Missed it. Okay. Divergence factor coming in on the daily chart on M2, but there's no setup. Weekly, likewise, it's just way too much overbought. Weekly, nothing. Daily chart, nothing either. Okay. Kiwi. Weekly, I'm sorry, the pound against the yen. Right, so it came up basically on the last minute, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, they might go up that way too, so we're going through in the monthly, just way too powerful. So nothing no way. In terms of shorting, not yet either. M2, look at that, came in 41, 200 pips to the upside. They are weekly, way overbought, but there's no sign right there. Almost, but still on a pretty nice one. 141, 23, it's about 200 pips. Okay, there is nothing through there but saying to go long at the end of this day. And last but not least, go pound Swiss. Wow. Yeah, this one's tanking. Weekly, monthly bearish, weekly bearish, daily. Trying to stabilize the price. 45.53, about 100 pips to the upside. Might an opportunity of M2, 46.98. To head back to the upside a little bit, so GBP, CHF, potential M2 as well, potential long. M3, nothing based on the daily. Weekly, none. Still below the 8 or the 10. Okay, now quick look at Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, wow, Aussie's weak. Weekly. Breaking back down 123.69. Yeah, it's so weak. Nothing. Alright. Okay, so that's pretty much it. The dollar Swiss, so based on the weekly dollar Swiss for an M3 method 3 and the Kiwi against the dollar will be on the daily chart. So we need to go short. Ooh. Okay. Getting on a nice price right there. Awesome. Okie dokie. Here we go. I'm gonna put 2 trades. Don't have anything over there. Okay. Something to weekly. M2, M3. Alright. M3. Good target point 94.76. 94.76. Or 76. Okay, I'll put it there for now. Kiwi's closed for a profit. I need to do that too. Okay, this one got closed yesterday. Kiwi. $355, 84.17. Create a new one. Save as three. Today's 25th, 13. The Swiss franc. 3 weekly. before. Here is USD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc. Market condition, yes. How do I
Is it still the 24th day?
Oh no, sorry. Today's the 25th. This. Yes. Calm. Right. Tolerant index. Right, news, NA. Okay. Yes, I'll probably continue up. They should. Yes, yes. What is the trend? Uptrend, short term. Okay, based on the time frame, was on the daily market price at 92.70. 92.70 market price. 92.70. 92.70. Stop loss 2 out. 476. 0.9476. Swiss franc 125.13 M3. Okay, great. Done. Insert picture. Perfect. Alrighty, nice. Okay, that was done. Didn't take that long. Go through the Kiwi dollar based on the daily chart. There's also one right here. 33 minutes. Odds and probability that's not gonna basically go furthermore is highly probable. So I'm going to enter one of that as well. Alright. Highly probability. We won't go beyond is unlikely. And Kiwi. Sell.
thought they closed at 9 o'clock, 8:55. Well,
yeah, which is another 30 minutes, right? But that's in terms of the stock market. But by the
not 30
time
minutes, another hour.
an hour and 30 minutes.
An hour and 30 minutes, yes.
Yeah, but by the time NASDAQ or the U.S. stock market closes, that's gonna be flat pretty much because already Friday.
Okay, so it's okay to enter.
Yes, so I'm currently entering to short. Okay, I just put a target at the moment. I'll put it back all the way down to, just to see it quickly, around here. Okay, 83.44. So there is a 83.44. That's pretty much not much. 83.44. That's fine. Cool. Alright. Back to M3, and let me close this. I'll open up the other one similar with Kiwi that was closed. We did earlier. It's 125. Okay. Same. Okay. 'There's no needs, and continue short-term swing trade. No. Yes. Okay. Journal step down. Yes. Bullish. It's in a demand or supply. Supply. Bears are currently in control. Short. Okay, daily time frame, market price. $83.78. Market price 83.78. Okay, stop loss is 2 out. Yes, 83.44. ESTE 125.13 M3. Okay. Safe. 25.13 and 3, and you're not closed. Awesome. Okay, those are the trades for today for myself. Anyway, any questions for me, Angie?
The US dollar Canada, the foot to go long, is that on a weekly or daily?
USD CAD. Yeah, USD CAD is just way too far. It's too late for now. I mean, there's definitely more room in order for the price to head to the upside, but it's best just to wait and then correct itself a little bit. Probably approximately about the 99, 70, another 80, 90 pips before you can go back in again. Because it's too much. It's just too strong. 3 days in a row, yeah, you miss the price. I would
Yeah.
stay away. Just be patient.
I can't trade anyway. I'm waiting for my salary to come in.
Okay, no
I
problem.
blew up one account.
Which one? How much how much was it? $100?
$350. No, $350. So I still have $100 to trade in. So,
Oh, it's $350, so you lost 250?
no, I lost $350.
Well, how much was the starting capital with it?
That's
300,
why I didn't do
350?
the calculator. That's okay. Yeah, I didn't do the calculator, so I was miscalculating the pips and
Yeah.
the loss. So that was all gone good. But that's okay. I'm okay with it. It's
Yeah,
my fault.
no
Yeah.
problem. That's a beauty about the currency markets where you can start small, right? Not like say if you're
Yeah, I
trading
should start
stocks.
small. Yeah.
Yeah.
I still have 500 in CMC, so I need to work. But I just don't know. I'm thinking of just transferring it to FXN.
Yeah. No, just
Yeah.
it's better to have two separate ones.
Two
So you
separate ones?
can, yeah, so you can, if there's one trade and you already maximized one, it's like maximum two trades per account, and if there's more opportunities, put it on the other one. Yeah. You know, if you guys could come more, like, you should, because for this year alone, everybody pretty much is up with their accounts. So, so
Okay.
something like that, right? You did everything by yourself. Now, if you're coming regularly, would have a help you a little bit more. Probably close your position straight away, and then, yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah. But yeah, whenever you get time, just you're gonna come in. It's important.
For the Tuesday class, the
As much as you can during the
as much as
day,
yeah.
during nighttime, you know, whenever possible. And then, you know, if you have a trade idea, the trade idea is fantastic as well because
But I can't do it when they're doing M1, yeah? I can't
yeah,
trade because I'm still learning on M1.
or M2 and
So
M3, you know, it's
yeah, when they do M2, M3, I might be able to do it.
yeah, and because sometimes in the like say on the forum, what's his name? Joe posted M2, Phil posted,
They
see,
go M2. Where are
M3
the
to go
methods? Oh, they go
long,
M3 long.
right?
Yep.
There's one right there. Short it
There are 4 hours charts though.
M2 method 4 hour. Yeah, but and you know people find those opportunities, and so Joe made 200 pips with that. Yeah, 223 pip gain. That's the right reply, by the way. What else?
Where's Anthony and the other girl?
Oh, they're at work because it's working time. They normally come during nighttime. Yeah, Anthony's been killing it. Like in terms of the trades and stuff. And plus, some of the trades, like, you know, are trade recommendations, so he just takes them, and yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, so as much as you can, if you could, come along.
Yes.
All right. Well, you have a great weekend. Have a great long weekend. Happy Australia Day, and say hi to Dean and the girls for me. Yeah, sometimes,
Well,
yeah, Raina still asks, is
yeah, we
Michaela and